What's up, guys? So I'm at the Zippo Museum. I'm doing a review of the bathroom here. One stall, handicap. So, I mean, we have high walls, so you can definitely see in pretty easily, and massive crack. Although it's nice the toilet's not directly across, but even from the sitting position, you can definitely, you know, someone's gonna peek in and see if it's taken. The lock work, which is nice. The only thing saving grace is that there's jimping on these handicap rails, which that's a first. That is super grippy. I dig it. Changing table, it's nice. In case you're a single dad or something, you got your baby, needs a diaper. And one urinal. Little plant's kind of nice addition. Clean garbage, it's clean. Can't really complain too much. So yeah, there it is. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I've had many of nice bathroom experiences throughout my little mini vacation here. Coming home, it's nice to have another one. So that's all. Hope you guys already washed my hands and everything. Just wanted to show you this studio. The plant's a nice touch and everything works. So that's it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.